Hi, my name is Bethany Evans. I'm the clinical director at the Counseling and Testing Center here at the University of North Texas. I'm going to do a quick instructional video on how to access our web forms. I'm going to share my screen so that you can follow along. The first thing that you want to do is open a new browser. I prefer to use the Chrome browser. You can use a browser of your choice, but Chrome tends to work more consistently for us. The next step requires you to enter in the VPN web address. You want to enter it in exactly as it appears in the instructions that you were given via email. Once you've entered that, click enter. You will now be required to enter in your EUID. It's a combination of letters and numbers that you were given, and then enter the password associated with your EUID. Then click Login. Click Continue. The next step requires you to choose an option from this drop-down menu. You want to click https:// before entering in the next web address that you were given. The next one is a little bit longer, so you want to make sure that you pay close attention to everything that you're entering in. Once you've entered everything in, click enter, and you also want to make sure you're typing everything in instead of copying and pasting. The next step requires you to enter the password that you were given. This password was included in the email that you received from either your clinician or the front desk staff. So go ahead and enter that password in now. Click OK. You've now successfully accessed our web forms. You'll choose the option that was given to you in the instructions you received. If this was your first time accessing our services, or if it's been more than 6 months, you will complete the client data form. If you are returning for an appointment, you complete the CCAPS update. If you were asked to give feedback, you click the student feedback option. And if this is your first time accessing our telemental health services, you click Telemental Health Update. I hope this was helpful. Bye.